Illustration 7, the intention plate. How to compose the future. Illuminate the future frame with the external intention center. So what Eum has presented to us here is that the plate really has two focal points. One is near the forehead, that is the inner center, the primitive activities in the current frame. And the second is the outer center, which has the capability of moving the future slide, the end of the plate. So the plate is kind of like an extremity where it starts in your head and it moves through the back of your skull, down your neck, through your back, and sort of out near the center of your shoulder blades. Now, it's where the plate ends near your forehead, or where it begins rather, that it affects the primitive activities in the current frame. So again, this is you projecting up onto that film reel the information and material that is in line with your future frame, which is your future goal. And then it's the end of the plate, the part that exits out your back near your shoulder blades, that has the capability of moving the film roll slide by slide or frame by frame. So I asked Vadim Zeland if how I was feeling the plate was the correct way, and he said that every single person feels the plate in a different way. So really there is no right or wrong way to do this, and this illustration here is Eum's representation of what the plate is to her. If you would like to see my version of the plate, I have a video on TransurfingTV that explains my version, but really it's entirely up to you. It's whatever you want it to be, and if it works for you, then do it. So please stay tuned for our next illustration, how to work with the plate.